Yo, what's going on, guys? So in this video I have a bit of a channel update for you guys at the end, and I wanted to show you my FJ Cruiser van life kind of Nomad build. So we'll start with the FJ Cruiser. So here it is. I got my cooler here for my cookware. I can keep some dishes in there, stuff like that. Solar panel. Have the sleeping bag, and right here I just I'm storing some just clothes, stuff like that. But what I think the most exciting part actually is this right here. This right here is my bed setup. As you can tell, I took out the front passenger seat for this, and I took out the back seats as well. So for my bed, what I have is actually, so I took out the front seat and I made like a PVC kind of platform for myself, so I can use it for storage underneath here. Like you see here, I got all of my storage. I got a bunch of my camping gear and stuff underneath it. Hiking boots. And all I really did was took some 3/4 inch PVC pipe and basically just made like a little bed frame out of it. I glued all the corners together. Made 3 bars all the way across. This right here, this is going to be my food storage area. Out of the sun, kind of in the darkest place, one of the darkest places that's still just easy accessible. Right here I have a bunch of my water gear, like my life jacket, my dry bags, and just stuff like that for kayaking and paddleboarding, which I plan on doing a lot of. And I'm using as like a platform are these wooden boards that they were going to get thrown away, so I decided to just take them and keep them, which actually works out pretty perfectly because I can just access it all in just like sections. There's 4 of these boards, 2 big ones like this, and then two half boards like that. And I got like a for my bed, actually I have this poolside thing. I think they call it a chase. But it's like a chase kind of padding with a thermarest and a big Agnes on top of that. Not inflated. I sleep with my head up here on this side. Have my blue Eddy over there. So over here on this side, I have my blue Eddy here and my Monster Ranch 55-liter backpack over here, keeping some water in here right now. Backpack. I wanted to have like a little bit of a clear space, just so I can just kind of sit around or just like add stuff and go through it later if I need to. Or maybe I'll fill it in the future. I'm not really sure yet what I'm going to do with it. But I did take the seat out right here, and I'm thinking about adding the seat back just so I have one passenger seat if I need it. Yeah. One other thing that I like to keep in here is just this little drawer system. It fit perfectly in here. And so it's where I keep a lot of my clothes. And these two, and I keep like toothbrushes and grooming and deodorants and vitamins and stuff in there. So as I do my Nomad trip across the United States for however long, I'll talk more about it here at the end of the video. But we're doing a lot of kayaking. I have my waterboard, my paddleboard as well, because I love paddleboarding. Some places you can't take the paddleboard, some places I can't take the kayak. The paddleboard will literally just fit on my back. Have my 5-gallon gas can here. Right now it's just zip tied on. I plan on actually getting that a little bit more secure in the future. Paddles. I got a strap on this one and a strap on this one. So I have my kayaking paddle and my paddleboarding paddle on here. And then one other thing that I have in my car is just some screen reflectix. I feel like it's gonna be super useful in the future, so I don't die and burn to death in the super hot sun. And then one thing I told was super useful is these hydrator balls. Keep out the humidity of your car so you don't get mildew while you're sleeping in here from your breath. I'm still kind of testing that. I'm not really sure exactly how well that's gonna work. But yeah, that's the car camper build. My Nomad life. It's where I'm gonna be living for probably the next few years. And so I thought I would just do a little tour. If there's anything specific that you want me to talk about or show you guys, just comment down below. I can make another video talking about it. But so for the channel update, I just want to let you guys know that moving forward in the channel, I will no longer be posting here in Kentucky where I currently am. At the end of this month, July, as of recording, I will be moving out west and living in my car like I was just showing you guys. I have 2 more videos planned actually for here in Kentucky, but basically all my videos are going to be out west. I'm going to be doing backpacking videos, hopefully multiple days backpacking, be doing like multiple days kayaking, and just really just trying to live my best life. I don't have like a job or anything out there, so I'm going to be pretty much just door dashing the whole time. And then when I'm not door dashing and when I have money saved, I'm going to be adventuring. And that's what I'm really all about, is just the adventure. So yeah, if you're new here, or if you've been subscribed for a little while and you're just following for Kentucky stuff, sorry, I am not going to be in Kentucky. I'm going to be pretty much out west for the foreseeable future. But with that saying, my home base is here in Kentucky, so I will be periodically stopping back in Kentucky a few times a year. So yeah, if you want to see more backpacking videos, I know there's a bunch of them out there already, but it's going to be me and my brother backpacking through the West, the Midwest, kayaking, paddleboarding, just trying to really make this YouTube channel work for us. So any view matters a lot to me. Every single comment matters a whole lot to me. Every subscriber matters. I'm just really trying to make this work out, and I don't really plan on quitting. And even if I go for the next like 4 or 5 years with like 200 views, 100 views on one video, that's going to be worth it. Sure, it won't pay the bills, but I can make money other ways. So, hey, like, subscribe if you're into adventure. So yeah, if you're into like backpacking, foraging, fishing, kayaking, hiking, backpacking, camping, you're in the right place, because I do plan on doing all of that. Cooking, fire meals, campfire meals, just sharing my van life with you guys, or my Nomad life. Yeah, like and subscribe. I love doing this stuff, and I love sharing it with you guys. So thanks for watching. It means a lot.